I'm going to show you how students can generate images in Adobe Express. To start, go to Clever and then click on the Adobe Express SSO only login, that's single sign-on. And it should automatically log in your students. At times, they might get a login screen where they have to enter their username at ppsd.net, but most of the time it should just get them in there. A top banner area sometimes has the Generate AI in it, but if you don't see it here, like today, you can scroll down and there's an area with all the AI tools. So here, generate image, generate text effects, for example. And if you mouse over these, you can see what the prompt was. So in case you want to make something similar. And then you can just start by typing in what you want to see, and the more description there is, the better. So I'm going to say that I would like to see a black cat anime style surfing near a sunny beach full of cats in bikinis. And then I'm going to click generate, and this might take a minute. Once it's done generating, you will see 4 results on the left side panel here. And there we go. So as I click on these 4, then it'll show different versions, and I could always click generate more to see more. Or if it's not quite what I was looking for, I can scroll to the top and edit the prompt some more. Sometimes people close this window and then they're like, oh no, how do I edit this again? I still want to change it. If you click on the image and then go back to generate image here on the left, then it'll open up this prompt area again. So maybe I change my mind. Maybe I want a realistic black cat, so I'm going to change it here. I'm going to change that prompt to realistic black cat surfing near a sunny beach eating sushi. All right, and I could add more information about the background if I want, or whatever you want, and then you can also change the style. So here under content type, you have a few choices, like for example, photo, like photorealistic, or art style. I'm going to change it to photo just to see what happens, and then you can click through these styles to see different menus. So I could make it fantasy, pop art, cyberpunk, right? There's different themes, pixel art. I'm going to choose, let's see, hyper realistic for this one. You can even, there's some really cool ones. You can have it like a material style, like made out of yarn or fur. So anyway, once you choose a view that you like, I can click on selected just to see what I have selected. So it's just that one. You could deselect things if you don't want something, and then click generate again. And now I have some more. So I have a lot of fish in this one. Even though it didn't give me what I wanted as far as the beach, I like this cat eating sushi on the surfboard. It's cute. So I'm going to keep that. Maybe I'll keep the one with the beach on the side. And then once you're done with that, I can close this side menu. And there's actually other things you could do in this menu here. So for example, you could erase part of the background. You could remove an object. You could insert an object. So let's try this insert object. This is basically where you erase part of the background. So maybe I'm going to put something on the beach there. So, and you can adjust the brush size here. So for example, I'm going to erase maybe this big area here. And then I'm going to type in that I want a sushi restaurant with a cat chef, and then insert. Then it should appear there in that little section. So you could click through these options. These first 2 didn't quite give me what I wanted, but it looks like this one does have a cat chef. So I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to click keep. right? And then, you could do this again. You could delete more and add more things. So that's a pretty cool way of using AI.